Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining. Today, I'm excited to walk you through our solution, the AI enabled attendance system. My name is Advik Shukla, and I will be presenting how this system works, the value it delivers, and what next steps we can take together. In many organizations, schools, colleges, companies, attendance tracking is still manual, error prone, time consuming, and insecure. People can forget to mark, entries can be tampered with, and administrative overhead is high. These challenges lead to inaccurate data, lost productivity, and even compliance risks. Our system addresses these issues head on. Our solution introduces an AI powered mechanism to automate attendance, capturing, verifying, and logging attendance via intelligent recognition, removing the need for manual entry. It delivers faster, accurate, and secure attendance records, freeing up administrative time and giving improved visibility.
Now let's look at the key features. Facial recognition, biometric verification. The system uses AI to recognize authorized individuals and mark their attendance automatically. Real-time monitoring and alerts. Administrations receive alerts for non-attendance, anomalies, or potential spoofing. Audit-ready attendance logs. Every attendance event is time-stamped, geotagged, and stored securely for reporting and compliance. User-friendly interface, easy visualize attendance trends, generate reports and identify patterns. Architecture or system flow. Here's how the system is architected. First, an image or video of the person is taken at the AI engine, which performs processing, facial recognition, liveliness check, and then records the attendance in the database. The dashboard layer allows the admins to access the data, trigger actions, and generate reports. All components are secure and scalable. Use cases or deployment scenarios. This solution fits variety of contexts. In education, students entering class, labs, or exam halls. In corporate, employees arriving at sites or remote offices. In conferences or events, attendees arriving, sessions being tracked. In hybrid or remote scenarios, remote check-in via video or smartphone. Each scenario benefits from reduced manual work, high integrity of data, and better insights.
What are the tangible benefits? Time saving, no more manual roll call, less paperwork, fewer errors. Improve accuracy and compliance. Automated verification means less chances of getting error or fraud. Better insight, you get better attendance analysis. Scalability and flexibility. It supports a growing numbers of users, location, and remote or hybrid setups. Cost effective. While there is an upfront invest, the reduction in administrative burden and improved data integrity delivers long-term savings. Implementation plan and timeline. Phase 1, requirement gathering and site out audit. Phase 2, setup and configuration, installing cameras or access devices. Phase 3, pilot run. Set a small group of users and run live testing, collect feedbacks and adjust calibration. Phase 4, full rollout. Deploy across all the classrooms, train staff, monitor performance, and refine. We'll also build in ongoing support and maintenance post development.
System workflow. Camera will capture the object slash body, detect it and recognize through OpenCV. Then it will go to command prompt and do the process called DB lookup and mark, which will be opened in their dashboard update through CSV.
Thank you, Shreyansh. Now taking it on, I would like to discuss our AI model logic. It is facial recognition. Our AI model uses deep learning to identify students. Here's a simplified breakdown as suggested on the screen. The training dataset is a set of photos that is when given by the students during their time of admission. A comprehensive collection of student images captured under varying conditions. That is, so that the AI can train accordingly. Face embeddings. When a face is detected, the AI extracts unique numerical representations, which is called embeddings. These are HD vectors that capture the distinct features of an individual face. The similarity comparison is these embeddings are compared to a pre-enrolled database of student embeddings. If the similarity score exceeds a set threshold, the student is identified. This is during the time of attendance system when the student is using this system. Accuracy improvement. The model continuously learns and improves its accuracy over time with more data and fine tuning. Now, before we move on to our AI model code, on the behalf of Team Soul Secure, we extend our sincere gratitude to Mr. Ritik Gautam, our AI mentor, whose valuable guidance and unwavering support were instrumental in bringing the AI-enabled attendance system to fruition. We also thank the Seth Anandram Jaikuria School, Lucknow, for providing the resources and environment conducive to this project. Now, as you can see on the screen, we have VS Code opened. We have imported 5 modules: datetime, pandas, numpy or numerical Python, OS or operating system, and CSV. The code is explained with all the respective comments given. Now, as I move on, now as I move on, let's run this code. As you can see, the code is now running, and in the background we have a webcam of ourselves. That means the camera is capturing our video. Now let's move on to see if the CSV file is actually updated. Now, as you can see, the event, date, time are the categories of the CSV file. It can show that body is detected. Now, as you can see, the AI has detected us, the date of detection and the time of detection. Now, finally, as the leader of Team Soul Secure, Kushagra Tandon, I would like to thank you all. We appreciate your time and attention today. We are confident that our AI-enabled attendance system will revolutionize how attendance is managed, bringing efficiency, accuracy, and valuable insights to educational institutions. Please feel free to reach out with any questions. Thank you.